The verdict was a masterstroke of judicial wisdom. This case set the stage for a defining tension in India's story, the tug-of-war between the power of Parliament and the court's duty as the guardian of citizens' rights. The first battle lines were drawn in cases like Shankari Prasad versus Union of India in 1951, where the court upheld Parliament's power to amend fundamental rights, a decision that lit the fuse for one of the greatest constitutional showdowns in Indian history. For the next 2 decades, a quiet constitutional war simmered between Parliament and the judiciary. Determined to push its socialist agenda, Parliament passed amendment after amendment, aggressively chipping away at fundamental rights, particularly the right to property. The Supreme Court, sensing a shift in the balance of power, began to push back. This simmering conflict finally erupted in 1973, in a legal battle that would permanently redraw the lines of power in India. Keshavananda Bharti versus State of Kerala. On the surface, the case was about a religious monastery's property rights, but it quickly morphed into an epic struggle over the soul of the Indian Constitution. For an unprecedented 68 days, the largest bench ever assembled, 13 judges, weighed a single momentous question. Is Parliament's power to amend the Constitution absolute? Could it rewrite or even erase the fundamental rights of the people? The verdict was a masterstroke of judicial wisdom. The court declared that while Parliament could indeed amend the Constitution, it could not touch its basic structure. This basic structure is the Constitution's unshakable core, the pillars of democracy, secularism, federalism, and fundamental rights. This doctrine was a brilliant judicial innovation, not written in the Constitution's text, but drawn from its very spirit. With this single judgment, the Supreme Court positioned itself as the final protector of the Constitution, an eternal safeguard against any branch of government that dared to overstep.
Friends, don't forget to share your views in the comment box and subscribe to KanoonPlus channel.